wanted to play the song Ain't No Sunshine, you should know about the three chords. The first chord is A minor. So this is how I hold the A minor. The another chord is E minor, that everyone knows how to hold it. The Spider-Man chord, the E minor chord. And then the last chord will be little difficult, but will be like D minor chord. So if you see in the whole song, the song get divided into two parts. The first is chord section and the other one is lead section. I'll come on that part as well. So first we're going to see the chord part. The first is A minor, E minor and the D minor. Fine. So I hope you got the structure. So before playing the song, you should have to apply this chords and start strumming it all together one by one like that way. Alright, song has been played on C major scale. So the C major scale open structure starts from the third fret, right? So it will sound something like Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa. That is your C major scale. So this is how I go. See, I'll go like 3. You just need to know about the notes that comes on 0 the open position of C major scale. So that I will going to give you the notes as well of it. So you can check it on your notes. Sunshine. It has. So if you see this all notes that comes under C major scale. So that's it. So I hope my playing video and the informative video will be more helpful to perform this song. So while playing the song Ain't No Sunshine, you need to know about three more things. The first thing is the song has been played on C major scale. If you see the treble clef, the time signature goes for 4. Okay, so the timing है उसका आपका जाएगा 1 2 3 4. Then you go ahead, you find there एक आपका जो start होता है इसमें बहुत सारे notes है. The first note you have is the minim note. Minim के साथ ही आपका rest sign जाता है. So you just need to read and listen to the song carefully. और इसके साथ ही साथ आपका एक जो semi brave है, even semi brave is coming inside there. So that will be like more efficient if you're going to play the song. So song is very much easy. First आप क्या कीजिए, just listen to the song and try to enact the same way it goes. अगर आप Ain't no sunshine.